Hi guys, very good morning to all of you. I am Pankaj Rathi, heading prolificdelhi.com and Technology India. So today I am here to share my views on the technology changes and the difficulties which the students and the engineers are facing right now. So here are my some of the views. I am with Prolific from last 10 years, 11 years around. And in this last 10 years, I am seeing the many changes of the industry. If you say like production, oil and gas, many techniques are changes from manual to automation. So I have gone through like all type of students, CS branch, IT branch, civil branch, mechanical branch. All things are fine, but one question's come into my mind. The question is that if you are want to work for a manufacturing plant, then what an electrical candidate, electrical engineer, or what a CSIT engineer, how he can work for a production plant. So that question comes into mind. After many discussion with my technical team and the technical heads of the many industries, we got a solution. Solution is the diploma course in industry 4.0. This is the solution which we are looking. Now let me explain what is this. This is the course in which an electrical engineer can learn hydraulic systems, pneumatic systems, how to control them, and how they can use into the production, how they are using right now. A mechanical engineer can learn about the PLC, programmable logic controller, how to develop the programs. Because if you take an example of an automobile industry, there are robotics working nowadays. All the assembly are doing with the robotics. If you don't have the knowledge of the controlling robotics, then you are not able to perform any interview there. So I have we Prolific and Technology here design a program, a certified engineer in industry 4.0. The benefits of that program is like a CS candidate, a IT candidate, a electrical, a mechanical candidate can learn all the things. He can work, the opportunity are increased. He can work into the production company, he can work into the oil and gas company, and it is also the benefits to the company also. They don't have any like problem in facing about the technical manpower. They can easily take a electrical engineer into the oil and gas, mechanical engineer into the oil and gas, electrical engineer into the production plants. So my suggestion and my views, so guys, don't waste your time. Now it is the time to transform yourself from a student to an engineer, to develop your skills and to perform, because the technology is very fast and rapidly booming up nowadays. Every day you see lots of changes into the technical industry. So it's time to get upgrade. So join Prolific Noida. Visit prolificdelhi.com. There you can see all the details regarding the training program, and you can go through it and put an inquiry and start booming your career. Thank you very much.